Hey guys, and welcome back to Bee's Kitchen. Thank you once again for joining me, and if you are new to this channel, you are welcome, but please don't forget to subscribe. So guys, today's recipe is very simple. I will be showing you how I make my homemade jerk sauce. I posted this recipe in the past, but now it has been removed from my Instagram page, so I thought I will reshare this recipe with you on my YouTube channel. I hope you enjoy it. Stay with me and let's get started. For my homemade jerk sauce recipe, I will be using the following ingredients. I have some dried thyme, ground cinnamon, browning, ground allspice, brown sugar, onions, spring onions, garlic, Scotch bonnets. You can use less or more depending on how hot you want your jerk sauce. I have some ginger, vegetable oil, limes, and grated nutmeg. I will list everything in the description below. I am now going to add everything to my blender and I will blend this until smooth. I'm now going to add a bit of water to help with the blending process. Also, I forgot to mention I added salt at this point before blending. Guys, as I started blending, I completely forgot to add my browning. I stopped halfway and now I'm going to add the browning to the mixture. I'll continue blending until the browning is well incorporated with the rest of the mixture, and then the jerk sauce is ready. And just like that, you have yourself homemade jerk sauce. This sauce is great on fish, chicken, or meat. You can store it in the fridge and use it as and when you need. It lasts up to 1 month, depending if you use a clean spoon every time you take some. As the jerk sauce is ready, I thought, why not make some jerk chicken? Firstly, I'm going to season my chicken using all-purpose seasoning, adobo seasoning, and Badia complete seasoning. Next, I will add some of the jerk marinade. I'll mix everything together to ensure the chicken is well coated in the marinade. I will then cover using cling film and I'll store the chicken in the fridge to allow the chicken to marinate overnight. If you don't have enough time, allow the chicken to marinate for at least 2 hours. The next day, I have removed the chicken from the fridge. I'm now going to place the chicken on my baking rack, which I have sprayed using cooking spray. I will then bake the chicken at 200 degrees for about 1 hour. Halfway through the cooking process, I will remove the chicken from the oven and I will baste the chicken using the rest of the remaining marinade. Halfway through of baking the chicken, I have removed it from the oven and I am now going to baste it using the remaining marinade. I will place this back in the oven and allow the chicken to fully cook through. And the jerk chicken is ready. Just look at how succulent this chicken looks. I cannot wait to dig in. Thank you guys for joining me once again in my kitchen. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please do not forget to like this video, share this video, comment below if you have any questions, subscribe to this channel, and turn on your bell notification icon. And I'll see you next time. Bye.